Hi guys, Steph here. Right, today we've got another lovely pen which is now ready to go. Now, this pen you would have seen in my last pen haul. Here it is, in nice condition as it is. Okay, just needs a little bit of TLC, just a little bit of cleaning, and just a little bit of service. And after that work, here's the pen in question. A lovely, very, very underrated company. It's the Burnham. And this one is the Burnham Pen. If we show you the barrel imprint, there you go. Well, it doesn't actually say, some of them did actually have but this one is Burnham Pen, London, England. Now, the Burnham Company was started by Harry Burnham himself around about 1920s through to, I believe, around about mid-1960s. I also believe Harry Burnham originally had something to do, he may have worked with Delarue Pen Company, and that's where I believe he learnt his trade with fountain pens. But the Burnham range of pens, they came in many, many, many different variants, different models, different colours, too many to mention. So we're just going to stick with this particular one. And as I said, it's Burnham Pen, London, England. You can see it comes in this lovely grey marbling colour. It's got these gold veins running throughout the pattern, as you can see there. And obviously you can see it's been fully restored. It's been fully disassembled. Everything internally has been cleaned. We've put a brand new sack in the pen. And as we've said, it's ready to go. You can see it's a lever fill pen. This model has just got just a standard plain lever, as you can see there. And then if we take you up to the cap, you can see the pen has these two thin cap bands to the bottom of the cap there. And then it comes with the very recognizable Burnham clip with the word Burnham running down the center of the clip. And then to the very top we have this sort of gold finial or stud to the top of the cap. Now, as we're talking about the clip there, the nice thing about this pen here, unfortunately, one of the traits with the Burnham pens was that the plate that they actually used was very, very thin, and it did wear very easily. As you can see on this particular pen, there's no wear at all. It's in lovely condition, as it should be. So it's very unusual to find them like this in this lovely unworn condition. Very, very nice indeed. And as I said earlier, the Burnham pens are very, very much underrated. If you get the opportunity to get yourself a Burnham, then do so. You won't be disappointed. The quality of these pens are as good as any major manufacturer of the period. And when I say period, I'm dating it from, I don't know, maybe 1940s, maybe 1950s. Okay, the size of the pen from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel is 129 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's just a tad under 12 millimeters in diameter. But all in all, as you can clearly see, it's a stunning, stunning pen. So let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. Fully serviced, and this particular pen was spotted by an eagle-eyed viewer. He reserved the pen subject to restoration. It's been restored and it's ready to go to the new owner. So this will actually be going in the post today to that lucky owner. You can see the section there comes in standard black, flares out slightly towards the nib, and then we've got this is a Warranted 14 karat gold nib, as you can see there. There's a sideways view for you. There's the feed underneath. Everything is lovely and clean. Incidentally, you can see the feed there. The early Burnham pens had what we term as a plain feed. Later, they introduced, I think around about the 1950s, what we term as a ladder feed. But this one, as I said, it's the plain early feed. Even with my large hands, a lovely, comfortable pen to hold and to write with. Now, as most times, because it's been fully restored, brand new sack, I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. But what we'll do, let's just do, in fact, let me just get some tissue to the side here. There we go. Let's just do a dip test, see how the pen writes. So what we've got is Burnham Pen, London, England. It's writing very nicely indeed. And I would say it's writing with a stubbish nib with it feels like it has flex. And there we go, look at that. So on the downward stroke, yes, very nice indeed. So it's got a little bit of a stubby nib. On the downward stroke, we can get a nice broad line. On the cross stroke, as you can see, we're getting a fine line. So a lovely variation in line. So I hope the new owner has many years of pleasure writing with this pen. What we'll do, we'll clean the nib and the section after this video, because it will be going in the post today to the lucky new owner. Absolutely lovely pen, as you can see. Burnham Pen, London, England, from around about 1940s, 1950s, in this gorgeous grey marbling with gold veins. So, I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. And don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, Slavo Ukraini from me and this lovely pen. Bye-bye for now.